How to fix AirPlay not working on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix AirPlay not working on your iPhone. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone and the device you want to AirPlay to are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If your iPhone is using mobile data or a different Wi-Fi connection, AirPlay usually won't work. For example, if you're trying to connect to your Apple TV or Smart TV, both devices must be on the exact same network. Next, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Then tap AirPlay and Continuity. At the top, you'll see an option called Automatically AirPlay. If yours is set to Never, change it to either Ask or Automatic. Another important fix is to make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Even though AirPlay mainly uses Wi-Fi, Bluetooth helps your iPhone detect nearby compatible devices. Also, check the device you're trying to AirPlay to. Make sure it actually supports AirPlay and that the feature is enabled in its settings. This could be a smart TV, laptop, speaker, or streaming device, and the steps may be different depending on the device. If you're unsure, search your device model online and check whether AirPlay is supported. Now, if AirPlay still isn't working, try restarting your iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner, press and hold the power icon, then slide to power off. Wait about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. Sometimes a simple restart fixes small glitches instantly. And those are some of the easiest ways to fix AirPlay not working on iPhone. If one of these solutions helped you, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.